Welcome to the ICC Sri Lanka Arbitration and Mediation Hearing Center, where global expertise meets local leadership to deliver world-class ICC arbitration and mediation services in Sri Lanka. Rooted in neutrality, confidentiality, efficiency, and enforceability, the Hearing Center facilitates ICC arbitration and mediation under ICC rules, offering a neutral, binding, and flexible process to resolve commercial disputes efficiently. Since its inception in 1919, the International Chamber of Commerce has been a global leader in trade and investment, representing 45 million companies across 170 countries and supporting 1 billion private sector workers. It drives trade facilitation, cross-border trade and investment, good governance, anti-corruption, and ESG principles. Further, as the sole authority for ATA carnets in Sri Lanka, it streamlines international trade by enabling duty-free, tax-free temporary imports, making cross-border transactions faster and more efficient, contributing to $17.5 trillion in annual merchandise trade. ICC is the only chamber to be represented in the United Nations, WTO, UNCTAD, and UNICEF. ICC Court of Arbitration, established in ICC Paris, is the world's most trusted dispute resolution mechanism, resolving $200 billion in commercial disputes yearly with transparent and efficient processes. The ICC International Court of Arbitration marked its centenary in 2023 and plays a crucial role. The expedited procedures introduced in 2017 ensure that parties get an award within 6 months to reduce time and cost for lower-value disputes. ICC is the only arbitral institution that is truly international, not tied to any geography or subject to shifting political winds. ICC Sri Lanka was set up in 1955 as a local chapter and has been operating in Sri Lanka for over 70 years, and consists of corporate members representing listed and non-listed premier business organizations in Sri Lanka, promoting international trade and responsible business conduct. ICC's commitment in supporting trade and investment and promoting access to justice and the rule of law for and in Sri Lanka is unwavering. The ICC Sri Lanka Arbitration and Mediation Hearing Center brings these global standards home. Arbitration and mediation through the ICC Hearing Center offer a consensual, private, and enforceable resolution process, guided by a neutral third party and delivering rapid, cost-effective, and confidential solutions for businesses, both local and international. Led by Chairman Anthony Chenille Fernando and supported by our Board of Directors and the foreign and local advisory councils of industry experts, the ICC Sri Lanka Arbitration and Mediation Hearing Center bridges international benchmarks with local impact. Backed by the ICC International Court of Arbitration, we are advancing alternative dispute resolution in Sri Lanka. Our arbitration conferences in 2021, 2022, and 2023 integrated local and global experts, positioning Sri Lanka as a regional hub for smarter dispute resolution. The center also promotes training in International Chamber of Commerce arbitration, mediation, and alternative dispute resolution for professionals such as engineers, lawyers, quantity surveyors, architects, and IT professionals, fostering expertise and innovation in dispute resolution. Ready to resolve disputes efficiently? Visit www.iccSlamhc.org to explore our services, upcoming events, and how the ICC Sri Lanka Arbitration and Mediation Hearing Center can facilitate and reduce the cost and time of litigation. ICC Sri Lanka Arbitration and Mediation Hearing Center, where disputes find solutions and businesses gain strength. Join us today